Hey, how's it going? In this super quick video, I'm gonna show you how you can find a post that you've liked previously on Instagram and you've lost it. Have you ever seen a post that you wanted to come back to on Instagram? You hit the like button and you just don't know where it is. Well, this is how you can find that very post. So the first thing you're going to want to do is pull up your Instagram profile like I've done here, and you can click on the hamburger menu in the top right-hand corner here. You'll see I have all these options, but I'm gonna click on my activity. You can see all the interactions that I have done on Instagram. So it's pretty simple, that's how you do it. But what if it's buried a little bit down in your mentions? What if it's harder to find? What if it was liked maybe a year ago and you just know that you wanna find that post, but you just don't know where it is? Well, thankfully Instagram actually lets you search by date, content type. If you know the post was posted by a specific user and you just don't know where it is, you can always filter by somebody that you're following. Easy peasy. You can look at your content type. Maybe it's just a reel you're looking for specifically, or just a photo, a post. You can change that as well, makes it super easy. And then, hey, you can even get granular down to the date range, because maybe, yeah, you don't know the exact day that it was posted, but hey, I think it was posted January 2024. Well, hey, you can actually go in and look under January 2024. But hey, let's be honest, this is not the most efficient way to get back to an old post on Instagram. You probably want to save it next time. So feel free to click on that little ribbon button on a post that you like. I'm going to do that right now. This is my post of a wedding video that I shot. You can click on the bottom right-hand corner here and click on this little ribbon. There you go, it's saved. But you'll see I have this option to save to a collection. Now I can actually start a collection and make separate folders for the things that I'm saving. Maybe, hey, you're a social media manager and you wanna save inspiration for future things that you wanna make videos of, you can make a little bit of folder in there. Maybe you don't wanna mix it up with your recipes that you're checking out on Instagram too. You can have a folder for that too. You can have as many folders as you want. It's great. You can even do a joint collection. If you and another social media manager are both working for the same company, you can collaborate and put things into the collection so everybody can see the great ideas and trends that you found on Instagram. So then next time I see a post that I like and I want to save, I can click on the little ribbon, and yeah, I can just save it to my general saved collection, or I can click onto the folder that I like. I'm gonna save this into trends so that it goes into the trends folder. So there you go. Me and my fellow social media managers can all see these cool vids. So there you have it. That's how you find a lost post on Instagram and how to avoid losing any future posts on Instagram. Thanks so much for watching. We got tons of great content coming your way all the time.